Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday, June 16th. Happy Father's Day to all. Hopefully everyone's safe. Everyone had a good weekend so far. Out here in Michigan, we got some heat wave going. It's so hot out there, you could probably cook some bacon or eggs. We have an unboxing from Amazon Prime coming from RocketPro, I do believe. Let's see what they sent us. And of course, you guys can get the link down below. Check them out on Amazon Prime. Take advantage of the fast shipping. And let's see what it is. Oops, one more side to go. Here we go. One more cut. And we have here. Whoa. Holy smokes. This thing is huge. Take a look at this. LED projector. Most cost-efficient LED projector. Oh boy. This looks nice. This will be a nice gift for anybody. Here's all the good stuff on the back. Resolution. I'm going to do a movie on Instagram, so if you guys want to see how the movie quality is, stay tuned for that on my Instagram. But I can't show it here. Let's see, 44 up to 200 inches. Distance is 1.5 to 5. Lens, multi-chip coated. Nice. LED light, 30,000 hours. That's really good. Then we got the HD, USB, VGA, micro SD, AV, earphones. Dang. Alright, let's take a look at this thing, man. I'm definitely excited. I didn't expect this coming in today. Alright. And that's going to be a nice birthday gift. Christmas is around the corner. And birthdays, of course. Bar mitzvahs. All that good stuff. There we go. And oh wow. It's got an own box. For the power cords, I do believe. Alright, let's take a look. Hopefully my phone don't die. I got enough juice. I had a rough night last night, but alright, here we go. Nice size remote. Has a nice feel to it. Lightweight. Come on out. Oh man. Oh, that's nice. That remote. Bada boom. And we got the standard cables. Those. We got the power cord. Dang. Nice and thick. Oh boy. And that's it for that. Put that to the side. Let's pull this thing out of its box. Oh yeah, definitely nice job packaging. Sure. Some kind of new bubble wrap. Alright. Oh, mercy. Dang. Look at this. This is like a home theaters. Like the movie theaters. That's nice. Look at this thing. Love technology. There we go. Yeah, that front. Boom. Nice jet black. There's the turns. To adjust the picture quality. Ooh, here we go. Oh wow. Looks like we got 2 HDMIs. That's really good. SV out. USB, AV. Micro SD. Headphones. The computer. Boom, boom. It's not that heavy. It's like a PS4 maybe, it feels like. Definitely nice 30,000 hours. There's a front. Power on. Enter. Do it manually if you lose your remote. But definitely check them out, YouTubers. I'm gonna do like the test run. I could probably do that at least downstairs. So give me a few minutes. Coming right up will be that part. And then, like I said, if you guys want to see the full setup on the movies, click on over to my Instagram page. I'll have that set up. Image, focus, key focus, keystone focus, remote control, basic setup. Alright, YouTubers, I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here I am set up down in the basement now. This thing is amazing. Great picture quality for sports, TV shows, movies, Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, WWE Network. That's what I was watching just a few minutes ago, testing it out. But they got the color temperature medium. There's my Prime. And warm. Medium. Cool. Keep it cool. But I just can't see. There we go. Auto adjusts it for you. See, project front view, in case you want to have it on the ceiling, you can switch it to that. Picture mode is standard. I'm not sure what that means. We'll find out. Oh, dynamite. Oh, okay. User, just to make the picture that much better. But I don't think you really need to do all this because it looked pretty impressive, like I said, with the TV show I was just watching. So keep it at that. That looks really good. Like this is, I'm not even sure what size this is, but I'm not using no screen, just a white wall, and looks good. You probably take this outside. Got the 2 HDMIs. Hook up the your gaming systems, retro systems, and all that good stuff. You can hook up to it, and then it'll play perfectly. Like I said, I wish I could show the video on here, but it'll be on my Instagram a little bit later on tonight. So like I said, thank you guys at RocketPro, I do believe. Check them out. The link is going to be down below. And like I said, take advantage of that Amazon Prime. You'll get it fast shipped to you. Definitely a nice one to have. It's quiet. I don't really hear the fan. Oh, you guys can't see it. It's dark. But it's there. Definitely happy with this one. Really nice LED. There you go. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good Sunday. And I'll see you hopefully back tomorrow. If not, see you soon. See ya.